I don't know if this angle's good. We're on our way to go to CVS right now. We're gonna be, oh my god, it's crooked.
She's crooked.
She's crooked. But we're on our way to CVS. We're gonna bring you guys along and film some period stuff. And
next time you see us, we'll be in CVS. So
bye.
Okay. Woo! I'm back on the camera now. So we just made it to Walgreens. This kind of sounds. This is loud. Anyway, we're at Walgreens, so yeah, we're gonna go cut up at Walgreens. Let's just, yeah, okay.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna talk to you guys about hats. I use these sometimes, but I also use the nighttime heavy flow ones because I do have a heavy flow. See, pretty good. But also the different types of flows that we get as women can be heavy, light to medium. I use the overnights because I would always leak and stuff. This is when I was younger. But now I use products like this. It's kind of thin, medium. It's super, but it's thin. These are pretty good. I don't really like the always just because they bundle up and stuff. But for what I use is I use the Kotex ones overnight. And for my light days, I'll go with Erica's going to talk about tampons now.
These are tampons. So depending on your flows, you have different types of tampons. Follow me. Come closer. So you have your regular tampons, you have your super tampons, and I don't know, I think they have even like a bigger one than that. Okay, depending on how heavy your flow is, that's going to depend on what kind of tampon you get, but I recommend regular to start out, and if you feel like regular is not working, then you can move on to super or extra super. Just keep in mind that they do get thicker, and when it comes to comfort, the thicker ones are a little bit more comfortable, so depends. Okay, I'm taking the camera for a second. So also, I just wanted to say, don't use her. She's not good for you.
She's gonna mess up your pH.
She's gonna mess up your JJ.
And so no guys, having sex on your period does not prevent pregnancy. You know, it lowers your chances of getting pregnant, but you're not really ovulating right then and there. But there still is a really small chance that you can get pregnant still. So if I were you, you know, I'm not saying pull-up method is what I'm recommending, but if you want to use protection, condoms are the best way to go. As you can see, they have all different kinds. I'm just gonna get real personal with you guys. I use these just because they don't have latex in them. I have a little latex allergy, but you can also get whatever kind you want. They have thick, thin, ultra thin. They have stuff with like taste on them, like just stuff to make it more pleasurable. Okay guys, and also if that method does not work, you can also do Take Action or Plan B. But a little tip and trick is actually go to your nearest Planned Parenthood. You can get it for $20, or you can actually get them off of Amazon. So save that money and be safe.
Okay. You guys didn't get to see this, but she just dropped something on the floor.
Men's deodorant works so much better than women's. I'm sorry. Don't come at me. I use men's deodorant just because it works a lot better for me. All this girly stuff does not work for me. Like Dove, no. Secret, no. None of that. Let's see. I like that kind. I have that. Well, I have this one. I have that one. I do have Swagger. I have Super Swagger too. I used to have Timber. I've had Captain. Let's see. Oh yeah, Cracking Guard. Best body wash. I like that one. We were talking about guys, and this guy I have a crush on, but he doesn't really want to date, and he's leaving soon. So yeah. Pretty disappointing, honestly. Because I know this is, like, not really on the topic of periods and stuff, but, like, it's kind of girl talk. But, I don't know, I've never felt a spark. Ever. Even when I've liked someone or dated someone for like almost 3 years, I've never felt a spark like I felt with him. And gosh, he's leaving and I'm gonna be sad. And because like I would date him in a heartbeat if he asked me out. I'd be like, yes, like cheers to that. But he's leaving and I'm sad because I know I'm gonna get hurt. I know it's gonna hurt me. And I got attached, and we never planned on being more than just friends, but it just kind of happened. I'm just like, why? Why does this happen to me? The one guy I have a spark with and actually like and want to date, like, he's leaving, and he's not ready for a relationship. So I'm like, it's disappointing. It's like, maybe it's right person, wrong time. I don't know, but like, this man, I can't get him out of my head. But it's whatever. She left me to go get snacks. I want snacks. Oh, there you are. Okay, found you. Sometime in. Let's see. This is so good.
Let's check out. We're supposed to go that way.
Do you want me unattached this and put it back? Or just put it in?
You just put it back. Oh, my skin looks so dry.
Because it is. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, remember the club? When I was like, it looks like a penis. Okay guys, we made it. I don't think you guys can see that. We made it.
It's this historical site, and she's never been, so I wanted to take her, but it's this really awesome, pretty little waterfall, I guess you could say. And it's actually kind of busy sometimes, so definitely wear a mask if you come here because there's a bunch of people. Let's just go see it. Be careful on this.
Yeah, watch her slip and fall.
Shut up.
She always slips and
Come from my neck.
She always slips and falls. So you made it?
Alright, put the camera on.
Boom.
Hey guys. So, what's our tip?
We're here to talk about, well, what did you want to say?
Question is, can you have sex on your period? And that answer is
Yes, you can have sex on your period. Just a little side note, if you do have sex on your period, you need to know you can still get pregnant. Your chances are lower because you're not really ovulating that much like that. But you are still able to get pregnant. It's rare, not really rare, but
I just realized we just filmed that so out of order. Together we are so fucking scatterbrained. Oh my gosh.
get comfortable with asking questions. We wanted to talk real quick about the stigma around periods. A lot of men, or like just people in general, think it's gross, and it's not gross. It's very normal. It means you're healthy. You're able to have babies. So congratulations. Like,
Yeah. So definitely don't be scared to ask any questions. Ask your mother, your teacher,
your dad, your stepdad, like anyone that you can go to, even your friend, your older brother, sister, whatever, cousin. Doesn't matter. It's very normal. It means you're healthy. You're growing. You're becoming a woman. You know, good for you. Your body's working. So don't
Yeah.
be scared.
Definitely don't be scared. Okay, so we just came back from the trail. I'm hot, but yeah, right now we're like hot and gross, and I'm changing camera angles and stuff because it's a lot.
Just be responsible, take care of yourself, and if you have any like questions, you know, you can comment that in the selection down below.
In the selection.
Whatever.
Okay, we're not even speaking English right now. Okay. This is post filming Erica. What cooked out on her face? No, but seriously, I hated our outro. I do this every time. Every video we post, you're gonna see me doing this. I hated our outro. So I'm gonna do it myself. I didn't record that. Are you serious right now? Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We decided to do a little vlog style / informing on periods kind of thing. It was very brief and very quick because we tend to go off a lot and just go somewhere else with our words. So we just wanted to make this quick, short, and a little bit informative. So yeah, that's why we did that. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We do uploads every Thursday. Yeah, so follow us on Instagram and Twitter and all that good stuff. And yeah, peace out. See you guys next time.